Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is today's market update for February 17, 2021. First up, we look at the Dow. The Dow is still bullish. This morning they slammed it down, but the buyer tapped back in and they push it back up again. Russell 2000 is still on the sideways correction. They pull back, they fill up the gap, and then the buyer tapped back in. So let's see, tomorrow they'll be able to push back up and continue to the upside, or they will sideways correction again. The technology stock is a little bit weaker. They slam it down, but they also try to get back up. So tomorrow, let's see, they can continue to put it to the upside. The SB 500, SBY, is still bullish. As you can see here, they still hold up to the uptrend. So the market is all-time high, but as long as the chart is still give it high, low, so it means that the market is still hang tight to the upside. I think that we still have some more room to put it up to the upside, and let's see how the market tell you. If the price is going down, we will inform you and let you know that the market is going to reverse. But at this moment, even though they are choppy sideways correction, but it still hang on to the upside. Two sectors still doing very well right now. The energy sector, you can see that continue to punch to the new high. So a lot of stock in this sector, like you can see, like ExxonMobil, they also put it high right there. OXY, okay, it's still very strong there. VLO, okay, CVX, okay. So the all stock try to find a way to put it higher right now. And the financial sector is also doing extremely well, as you can see here. Like we told you last 2 weeks, the financial is trying to turn around and make it all-time high there. And a lot of stock in this sector is still doing extremely well. Like Bank America, okay, JP Morgan, as you can see, okay, let's make another all-time high. Goldman Sachs, that's another strong one there. Okay, KRE. So you see that though banking is still continue to rumble to the upside. So that's the two main sector that we focus on right now. The emerging market is still doing well, as you can see here. A lot of stock in this sector, like IAC, is still put it all-time high there, and China ETF is also at all-time high, as you can see. So the market is still very bullish. The other than that, we can see that the overall market is still hang time, even though we are at an all-time high right now. So we have to be a little bit cautious, but overall trend is still bullish. So we'll stick with the upside. If you are in our live trading room today, okay, every day before the market open, we analyze to see where the market heading to. So today, when the market opened at 6:30 Pacific time, we know that the trend down, but we know that it will be the ending of this move here. So we guide our member that so they can stay and looking for the reversal. So when the market found a support, they reverse, and we take the first trade here. That's the 24 again in the first hour. That will be $1,000 per 1 year contract. And then after that, market choppy sideways, and finally they'll be able to put it back up to the upside. So I took a quick trade for myself on the upside. So total net profit for today $2,627. This is what we're doing every day in our live trading room with our member. So we call trade live, okay, in front of all of our members. And beside the day trade, we also analyze hundreds of the stock for the swing trade, so that our member, they know which one they're supposed to get in, which one's supposed to get out, and which one they need to take the profit. So that's what we do every day in our live trading room. So if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to read the chart by using a modern technical analysis, you can check out our website at stocknavigator.com. And please sign up with our YouTube channel, so every time we have a new video, we can inform you. Alright, so that's all I have for you today, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care, everyone.